Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'll show you how to make a flower pot in Blender in basically under 2 minutes. So all you gotta do is delete those three and now add a cylinder. Change its vertices from 32 to 64 and then just shade smooth by angle. Once you do that, press tab to go to edit mode, but before you do anything, press Ctrl A and apply scale. Alright, so let's go to our edit mode and now select by holding Alt a single edge down here, so you can select the whole circle and then just basically scale it. Alright, so now once you've done that, select this top part and press I to insect just a little bit. Press X to delete the faces, and now let's add some geometry. I mean, even this can be a design for your flower pot, but you know, we want to make it some like or a little bit more interesting, let's say. Okay, so press Ctrl R to make a loop cut, pull it just a little bit up, and now press Ctrl B, basically scale it by pressing S before, and now press Ctrl B and bevel it. Alright, just like this. So yeah, that's pretty much our flower pot. It looks cool in my opinion. Like, it's gonna be like a really good design for any house or isometric room you're making. So yeah, that would be pretty much it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.